Okay, so tips on doing the 2013 Mercedes C250 or earlier or later. I know you guys have trouble taking this intake tube off, which I cut mine and did a separate intake setup. But what you're going to want to do is you're just going to loosen it. I know it's annoying to get to that the ring, but loosen it, and then all you're going to do is just pull it up. Clearly take off your sensor, take off this bad boy. As you can see, this one popped off, but where is that fucker? I did break one. Oh, right here. Broke one in the process. Be very careful with these. Break very easy. But yeah, just go ahead and pull this up. And another tip is where the tensioner is. I went ahead right under there. You got your star socket, but I put an Allen key. If you guys can see, there's a little hole slot. So you're gonna pull all the way tension and then shove that little key in the little hole, and that's gonna hold your belt so you can do this job by yourself. So now I got loose tension on all the belts without having someone else hold it. And I didn't know that before, but it's a really helpful tip when you're doing it by yourself. You don't have to be pulling it to put the belt back on. You do all your pulleys, you're good. Pull the tension back and then remove the Allen key, and bam, you're done, you're good. So that's just a tip when doing any of these pulleys, your serpentine belt, anything to do with taking the belt off or replacing. I just give you guys a little tip on that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I just did these two, replacing with new ones. You guys ever do this? You're also going to need O-rings for every single one you replace. So, I have my small O-ring right here. This is the original O-ring that came on it, and it is hard as a rock. It's ready to snap, so I got to replace each one every time. But, yeah, if you guys have any questions or need any help, go ahead and hit me up. Alright, later guys.